Namaskar bachcho. Today I would like to make a few terms clear to you. The chapter going on is electrochemistry. Fine. Electrochemistry में बेटा अभी जो हमारा टॉपिक चल रहा है that is conductance in electrolytic solution. Regarding that, I would make a few points clear. There is one very important concept over here, that is the difference between a metallic conduction and electrolytic solution. You see children, if I have a piece of metal something like this, I can easily make out that it will conduct electricity. But if it has a solution, then it is really difficult for me to understand how it will conduct and what are the factors which will affect this conduction. Let us see. So one question here for 2 marks it may be. Give important difference between metallic conductors and electrolytic solutions. Conduction in metallic conductors and electrolytic solution. This will be asked for 2 marks children. So we shall differentiate point by point. Number 1. Conduction in metals depends upon the type of metal. You can recall easily that conduction in aluminium is different from conduction in copper metal, is different from conduction in iron, and we all know that conduction in copper wires is much better as compared to the other two. But in electrolytic solutions, the conduction depends upon the type of electrolyte, whether the electrolyte is strong electrolyte or a weak electrolyte, and the other factors of the electrolytic ions. Fine. Next is metallic conductors conduct depending upon the number of valence electrons they can contribute. Fine. And at the same time, conduction in electrolytic solution depends upon the concentration of solution, size of the ions, nature of the ions, and the extent to which they will solvate in the solution. So all these factors determine how the solution will be conducting. Third and very important point of difference between the two is, in metals, you people are studying it since class 6, that conduction decrease with increase in temperature for metals, and we all know because rise in temperature increase the mutual you can say bombardments and collisions among the electrons, which hinder their movement, and therefore the conduction is lower down. But the scene is entirely different for the electrolytic solution. Here if you increase the temperature, it will give kinetic energy to the ions, and therefore it will increase. So the points of difference: metal conduction depends upon the type of metal, here the type of electrolytes. Conduction is affected by number of valence electron donated by metals. Conduction is affected by concentration of the ions, size of the ions, nature of the ions, and solvation of the ions. Metallic conduction decrease with increase in temperature, whereas in electrolytic solution it increase with rise in temperature.